Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Interactive Brokers. Opening an account with Interactive Brokers Canada is a straightforward process, typically taking just a few minutes online. You'll need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. Once your account is approved, you can easily fund it using various methods like bank transfers or bill payments. We'll guide you through the initial setup to get you trading quickly. Funding your Interactive Brokers Canada account offers flexibility, including electronic funds transfers and wire transfers. Once funded, placing trades is intuitive. You can choose from various order types, such as market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to specify your desired price. The platform supports trading stocks, options, futures, and more, giving you broad investment opportunities. Interactive Brokers Canada provides powerful tools to enhance your trading strategy. You can access advanced charting features with numerous indicators for in-depth technical analysis. Comprehensive research reports and real-time market data are also available to help you make informed decisions. Plus, the platform offers robust portfolio management features, allowing you to track performance and rebalance your holdings with ease. Interactive Brokers Canada offers excellent customer support, available through phone, email, or chat, to assist with any questions you might have. They also provide extensive educational resources, including webinars and tutorials, to help you deepen your trading knowledge and skills. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. We hope this video helps you confidently navigate your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.